Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm super duper excited because we have reached 500 subscribers. Actually, we're a little past 500 now, but as of Wednesday we were at 500 and I was watching it like a hawk, guys. Just super excited. So we are going to be doing a giveaway. Yay for a giveaway. I am going to be giving away a Monkey Lime budget sticker kit again. They didn't have April, she was sold out, and she was sold out of May, guys, so that was super crazy. If you're new to the channel, I hope you consider hitting the subscribe button because I plan on doing a really nice two-part giveaway, not two-part, but two-winner giveaway when I hit 1,000 subscribers. So I'm super excited for that one. But you do get your month at a glance, some bill due stickers here, and some payday stickers. You'll also be getting the June budget review, and then you have all your categories here, your cash envelope, sinking fund, and June goals. And June is my birthday month. I'm super excited for that as well. Then you got your debt tracker, your income tracker, upcoming expenses, some credit scores for you to keep up with if you do, payday stickers, bill due stickers, and then you have your paycheck for June 1st and 2nd, and then 3rd and 4th, and some more bill due and pay stickers. Now, not only is that all you're getting, but you're also going to be getting some cash envelopes that I purchased from TaragayNicole's Etsy shop. And I'm not going to open this one because it's nicely sealed, and I have a couple of her envelopes that I purchased as well. I purchased all of this, guys, and this is what 2 of them look like, and there is a total of 5, and they have registers in here as well that you guys can use to your leisure if you choose to. And it comes with this case here, so you guys will be getting all of this. I just recorded this video, but evidently it wasn't recorded. And I also saw these 2 little tassels at Staples when I was there over the weekend, and I was like, these will go perfect and they'll look so cute, and it kind of matches some of the stuff. Not really, but kind of. So this is what we'll be giving away. And then you also get some samplers and the Monkey Lime, what is it? Well, it's collect 5 logo stickers for 25% off your 6th order. So this is really nice. Oh, and also, by the way, Monkey Lime has graciously given us a discount code of 15% off by using Cassandra15. So you guys should head on over there and get all your budgeting equipment or tools or whatever you want to call it, stickers. They're very reasonable price, and they're pretty cute, and they're very functional for me. I used them all through March, and I'll link a video for that if you guys want to see that playlist if you want you. And either way, good luck. The only rules that there is you have to be subscribed to my channel, like this video, and leave a comment of whatever you want. You can say hey, you can say whatever you want. It doesn't matter. All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoy. Oh, and it will end, let's give everybody a fair chance, because since I don't have any April stickers, I want to give everybody a good 2 weeks, because I know people get busy. So this giveaway will end on April the 12th. Let's do that. Oh, that was a little sneak peek too of my budget setup. Either way, guys, thank you so much for spending a moment of your life with me. Until next time, bye.